Hello, in this video I want to show you how to modify terrain in Tiny Glade. To do this, first we'll need to select the terrain edit option. It is right here on the bottom of your UI. Click on it, then you can see the mouse with the circle, and that circle tells you on how much terrain you're gonna add. Now when we click left mouse button or hold it, we'll start adding the terrain. As you can see, it becomes taller, and now when you actually add any amount of terrain or a hill, then you can edit it. When you enter this terrain editing mode, you can click on the terrain that you've added, then hold this left mouse button and move it up or down to make it bigger or smaller, or alternatively we can move it right and left to even it out with the rest of the terrain. Now as you can see, it's covered with grass. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.